this is Lamyaa'a and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well, and if you're watching this video for the first time, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like, you can also follow me on Instagram. Okay guys, so आज है Friday and आज I am in Islamabad और आज की वीडियो में हम जा रहे हैं Islamabad to Murree. So I am really excited for that and so stay tuned. अभी जो टाइम हुआ है वो तकरीबन 8 बजे हैं, तो हम काफ़ी हमारी कोशिश होती है कि whenever we go for travel so हम लोग बहुत अर्ली मॉर्निंग निकलें, बट आज जो है हम थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए हैं. So let's go and start the video. Okay guys, so that's it for now. I'm just ending this vlog. I hope you loved watching this video, and if you are new to the channel, so please do subscribe my channel, and I will see you in my next video with some interesting video. Till then, please take care of yourself and others around you.